4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
So please just quickly introduce yourself and tell us your own experience using these products.
Yeah. My name is Ibrahim Mohammed. I'm driving this car here. I've used this product before, and this is the second time. But now I experience that the consumption of the engine is quite different. There is improvement in it. Why? Because when any engine is due for service, it consumes more of the diesel or petrol than when it is serviced. But now the engine is due for service, at least 103 overdue for the service. But still, the consumption, and now I'm coming out, I'm supposed to buy my petrol a week, a day before now, but still I'm still using it, still at quarter tank.
Okay, so what you're saying is that you used it before,
Yes.
yes, you noticed something, but now because the car is due for servicing,
For service,
you are now noticing it more that
the product is
yes,
working on it.
it's actually
I'm
working.
expected to buy fuel now, but because
You
of the
still have
fuel,
quarter
yes,
tank.
I still have quarter tank.
Wow. So you recommend this product to
Very
anybody?
fantastic, very very nice.
Level up, level up, level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy.